Hello guys, in Mr. Silva channel. Before starting the video, I urge you to subscribe and activate the bell button in order for you to receive all that is new. The series of leaks continues to reveal some of the characteristics and features of the upcoming Apple iPhone 13 phone. According to recent leaks, Apple intends to present at least one model of the iPhone 13 series with a design without a charging port, which is now possible thanks to MagSafe charging, and some big upgrades to screens, cameras, and possibly new battery technology can also be expected. Issue date. According to a prominent analyst, Minkai Kuo, Apple is expected to launch its new iPhone 13 in September 2021. If the iPhone 13 release date follows Apple's pattern for previous releases, then we can see this device hit the shelves on September 24, 2021. Despite the coronavirus-related delays facing the iPhone 12 series, with its launch pushed back to October 13, iPhone 13 models. According to Goo, Apple will again offer 4 sizes for the iPhone 13. So you can expect an iPhone 13 mini with a size of 5.4 inches, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 design. Imagine if the iPhone 12 were the last generation of Apple devices to feature a physical charging port in every model. It's a shocking idea, but Apple may start phasing out Lightning ports starting with one of the iPhone 13 models. iPhone 13 Touch, will it come back? Apple is preparing to fix an issue with the iPhone 12 series, and to return a long-awaited feature to the iPhone 13 series next year, which is the Touch ID fingerprint scanner. The famous Minkai Kuo leak revealed that Apple will return the fingerprint scanner feature to its phones after removing it since 2017 with the introduction of the iPhone X devices, especially since many iPhone users complained that the Face ID feature in their devices sometimes causes them some trouble and does not recognize their faces while wearing masks, which forces them to enter the password to unlock the screen in those cases. iPhone 13 specifications. 5 grams documentation of Apple's settlement with Qualcomm reveals that Apple has plans to use the Qualcomm X65 grams modem in its upcoming iPhones, which will likely include the iPhone 13. And this is important because the X65 nanometers modem can be integrated directly into the chipset of the phone. iPhone 13 camera. We hear a lot about the entire iPhone 13 series so far, but one leak reveals that the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will introduce a new ultra-wide 6-element lens, and it also provides autofocus capability. Current iPhone 12 Pro models feature a super-angle lens breadth of 5 elements. Moreover, Kuo expected that both the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max will have larger slots in the cameras, and both phones will come with an f/1.8 aperture, higher than the f/2.4 currently available. This, coupled with a 6-element lens, means entering more light through the camera, better image quality. The battery. The iPhone 12 models did not pass the battery life test. Only the large battery of the iPhone 12 Pro Max won everyone's admiration. However, Kuo says, the new iPhones can provide more battery capacity without increasing the design footprint. Apple may also decide to offer similar capacity in thinner designs. iPhone 13 can be folded. There is no evidence at this point to suggest that Apple will launch the iPhone as a foldable iPhone in 2021 alongside the iPhone 13, although foldable devices are becoming more popular and more affordable. It should be noted that Apple has a number of patents in its name regarding mobile phones with foldable screens, some of which are called the iPhone Flip, and reports in the past 2 years have claimed that Cupertino has taken samples from some of the candidates for flexible screens, in an indication that Apple is looking at certainly about this class. Here we have reached the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel to support me and continue to provide everything that is useful.